Hello, it's Abby from Oldham Volkswagen, and today I'll be walking you through this approved used vehicle. This Volkswagen T-ROC Mark 1 Facelift 1.0 TSI Life 110 PS, and it currently has around 16,400 miles on the clock. And it comes painted in the stunning Indium Grey finish, which looks absolutely fantastic, with the VW badge detail that's in the front and the rear of the vehicle. And to minimise risk of damaging the vehicle in any way, the power folding mirrors do fold in unlocked. And here are our stunning wheels, which do complement the exterior finish very well while offering a very stylish look to the car. And as we access the boot, you'll notice we have a fantastic and spacious boot size, large enough to fit stuff like shopping bags or even a pram, and we do have the additional storage space underneath there. Following on, we can see this T-ROC really just has some lovely and well-maintained interior, as you can see with the ISO fixed points, cup holders and armrests at the back, which makes this car perfect for families. And as we access the front of the car directly, we have that comfortable interior and jam-packed car filled with fantastic features, starting off with the driver's seat, which is fit with an armrest, offering you and your passengers that relaxing driving experience. Making our way inside the vehicle, you'll notice the multifunction steering wheel does have a nice leather grip and dual automatic headlights stern, showing that it was in the correct hands, alongside the window controls on the driver's door handle. Once this fantastic car comes to life, we can now gain access to the dashboard display, where we can view key information here like our mileage whilst on the move, and we also do have our assist systems featuring adaptive cruise control, allowing to maintain a safe and steady speed whilst driving on the motorway. Over to the infotainment screen with a wide range of options that are available for us to use. Heading to our App Connect, this offers the Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and MirrorLink, allowing us to access driver-safe applications, including Spotify, Apple Music and Google Maps navigation. Now, we all love having a fun experience while driving, and the DAB radio keeps entertained while you're on the move. With many different stations to choose from, you can never be bored. And finally, to finish this video off, we have our Park Pilot, offering you confidence while driving in those tight spaces, as the front and rear sensors ensure safety, especially manoeuvring out those busy places like shopping centres where parking can be really tight.